Here we've got some Chinese supplied carburetors and a Chinese Hex Bar linkage. I'm having serious issues getting the carburetors to work together. Main reason because of the Chinese supplied bushings for the ball ends on the linkage. I've had to make up my own. The bushings on the Chinese carbs, the difference in size between the ball end and the bushing is nearly a millimeter. My own one's got about 0.1 millimeter clearance. So now it's going to be difficult to see. Put that in, minimal amount of movement. Put it in the Chinese one. There you go. You can see that difference. Now if you think that doesn't make a difference as far as carburetor synchronization goes, you are badly mistaken. I'm getting about 10% movement on one carburetor, and all that's happening on the other is the linkage is moving out of the way. So it's not even opening the other one, and you theoretically within your driving range already. So yeah, quality control severely lacking.